Why do we observe eclipses? Reasons why scientists observe solar eclipses. Scientists study the corona, a part of the sun's atmosphere, during total solar eclipses to learn how the sun's heat and energy move into space and what it does to our Earth. Total solar eclipses are especially important because they allow scientists to see the corona that's too faint to see except when the bright light of the sun is blocked. The sun is a big star that gives us light and heat. It also sends out something called solar wind, which can affect our technology like phones and computers and people who go to space. Scientists want to know how the solar wind starts so they can be ready for any problems it might cause. During a solar eclipse, scientists can study Earth's atmosphere in a special way because only a small part of it is blocked by the moon. Scientists use instruments called coronagraphs to block the sun's light in a manner similar to a total eclipse, but these instruments still struggle to reveal the region of the corona closest to the sun where many important processes occur. Studying the solar eclipse helps scientists learn about the ionosphere, which is a layer of charged particles created by the sun's energy. Changes in the ionosphere can have significant impacts on technology and communication systems and is important for many things like satellites and GPS. Why NASA observes lunar eclipses? Hundreds of years ago, when people observed the moon during an eclipse, they saw Earth's shadow on the moon and discovered that the Earth is round. Even after all these years, scientists are still learning about the moon from lunar eclipses. In December 2011, NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter gathered data about how quickly the moon's day side, the side that always faces Earth, cools during a lunar eclipse. NASA can learn what the moon's surface is made of from this data. If an area of the moon's surface is flat, it will cool quickly. Scientists use this data to know which areas of the moon are rough with boulders and which are flat. What can we learn from eclipses? Scientists like to watch solar eclipses because they can learn new things about the air that surrounds our planet, which is called the atmosphere. During a solar eclipse, the air gets a little bit different than normal, so it's an exciting time to study it. Eclipses have helped scientists learn more about how things work in space. They even proved Einstein's theory of relativity, an idea about how things move in space. They also used eclipses to make a map of the sun and how it connects to other things in space. Eclipses are a special type of transit where one astronomical object blocks another. NASA uses transits to study the exoplanets, planets outside the solar system going around faraway stars. Eclipses can help us better understand Earth's ionosphere. It's important to understand because there are lots of things in space that rely on it, like satellites and signals that help us talk to each other. When the ionosphere changes, it can mess up our technology and communication stuff. What is an ionosphere? The ionosphere is where Earth's atmosphere meets space. It forms the boundary between Earth's lower atmosphere, where we live and breathe, and the vacuum of space. Here, the sun acts like a giant stove that heats up gases until they lose some of their tiny particles. This makes a big pool of charged particles that move around a lot and causes constant changes. The ionosphere gets bigger and smaller depending on how much energy it gets from the sun. Because of this, the ionosphere changes from Earth's day side to night side. The ionosphere plays an important role in the study of eclipses.